In this video, I will show you how to clear your WhatsApp storage, delete large file to free up storage space on your WhatsApp storage account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp account. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on these three dots from the top. Go ahead and click on Settings. Then scroll down right here. Proceed to Storage and Data. Go ahead and click on Manage Storage. So here you go. Go ahead and click on Chats. So here you go. As at the time of making this video, these are groups, chats that consume a lot of storage space on my WhatsApp. All you have to do is to review them one after the other. Like for instance, this particular one right here, about 102 megabytes. Click on it, and then you're going to see all the files in this particular sections right here. All you have to do is to make sure you review and delete as many as possible unnecessary file data that you no longer want in this particular group right here. The next thing you want to do right here, take a look at this one right here. Everything depends on the messages, groups that you have on your WhatsApp that will determine the kind of large file size you are going to have. Just review and delete as many as possible to free up storage space in your WhatsApp. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.